industry and I don't want to make clothes, I don't want to sew, I don't want to do anything near clothing, I got you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 beautiful niches that you can do even till the year 2029. And that is not ending soon, that you can do without sewing or selling clothes. So if you are interested in this kind of video, definitely keep on watching and stick with me till the end of the video. Let me not waste your time too much. Let's get to the honey of the video. Let's go.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
Hey beauties, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie and you are welcome powerfully. This is the channel of beautiful people. Sometimes we do chit chats like this and most times we do tutorials on everything that concerns garment making. So you are going to enjoy it here. Look at my hair. I made it this morning. Today is a Thursday. I'm probably going to be uploading this video tomorrow, which is Friday, but today is a Thursday and I made this hair this morning. I really like to do simple hairstyle. I just decided to do this. If you like it, let me know in the comment section down below. So now, fashion designing has evolved and we are in the era where you can venture in so many things in the fashion industry without even sewing on the sewing machine, without stepping the sewing machine, without knowing how to use the sewing machine. You can make your cool cash in fashion designing. This video is going to be divided into 2 parts. The first part will be for people that do not like sewing or cutting clothes or going near the sewing machine at all, and they still want to make money through fashion designing. I call them the non-teaching staff. You know, in the education setting, we have the teaching staff and we have the non-teaching staff. So for me, I call these people the non-teaching staff. Or if you have any other name that I should call them, let me know in the comment section. And then there will be another part for people that love to sew, but they don't want to do the corset, they don't want to stress themselves with all those masterpieces that people talk about, and they still want to venture into sewing and make money from sewing. I call those the teaching staff. So now, let's first start from you, the non-teaching staff, or the non-sewing gang. Yeah, I think that is way more better. Don't mind me, give me a name in the comment section. So now, first on my list is fashion photography. Yes, there is something called fashion photography. In this 2026, something has been happening in the fashion world that is evolving now. Like people just venture into something and say, this clothes that you've made though, I'm the one that can make it beautiful. I'm the one that can help you to snap it. You cannot snap it the way I can snap it. I know the angles. I know how to help you to put it in the angle. I know how to edit it, to iron it. You know, there was a video that went online that Vicky James posted, that when she posted the original video that I see she did that one with her phone, the clothes was rumpled, and when they put the after it has been edited, see, this clothes was already ironed. So there are some people that are fashion photographers. They know the angle to take that picture, and your clothes will sell fast. If you are that kind of person, you know how to calculate angles, you know how to edit clothes, edit pictures to support. You can walk to brands or clothing brands and tell them that, look, the way you are snapping your picture is not right. I can help you snap it in the way that you will sell out very fast. And if you are good at your craft, they will employ you and you'll be making your cool cash even up to 2030. I'm not even joking. We're in a digital world and we have to utilize this era. We have to utilize it to make our money. So the next on my list is fashion modeling. This one has been happening for a very long time. We see people modeling clothes and doing all those things, modeling for brands and everything. But now in 2026, is even more lucrative. It's more lucrative and it brings a lot of cash, in the sense that it is not only fashion brands alone that are needing models now. Students that are in the fashion school are also needing models. A student that learns how to sew, You will hear in some fashion school videos, you hear that, who is this person wearing your clothes? She'll tell you that it's their model. Even fashion tutors advise these students to get a model to, model their clothes, because they believe that a model will know how to accentuate their shape and body, and it will fit that style. So fashion brands need models. Fashion students also need models. You see now, there is a lot of places, a lot of ways that you can make money by modeling fashion. Alright, by modeling clothes for brands, for students that are in the fashion school, and you'll be making your full cash from it. Just know how to stand well, have a good stature, have a good posture. If you have this kind of talent, you can model clothes for brands, and you can wear clothes, and when you wear the clothes, the glory of God will show on your body. And these people will sell fast. And you know that you have that moves, you know how to catwalk, to you know the right posture to stand, to model these clothes for these brands to sell, or for these fashion design students in the fashion school to model their dress that they sold, just to showcase it on their project day. If you are very good at that, contact people, write letters, send links to people, send your proposal, let them see what you can do. Start venturing in this business and thank me later. Another thing, number three on my list is pattern drafting. I've told you that this 2026 and up till 2030, fashion is already evolving. Fashion has gone beyond somebody just sitting in one place, opening one taco shop that they use wood to build, and then she'll be the one to cut, she'll be the one to sew, she'll be the one to iron. Fashion has gone beyond that. If you know that God has blessed you with wisdom, that when you see one style like this, if you just see one style, the Holy Spirit will just come upon you, and you will be able to dissect how they made that style. Go into pattern drafting. If God has blessed you, that there are some people that are genius. Once they see a style like this, no matter how complex that style is, they'll be able to draft the pattern. There's a girl on Instagram, all she does is draft pattern for brands. She will just draft pattern and take it to the brand to cut and sew. If you know that God has blessed you with that talent and you can do it properly, why don't you venture into this business? You will not even need to step the sewing machine. You will not need to cut clothes. You will just need pencil, your ruler, and pattern paper, and that is all. And you'll be making your cool cash from it. So if God has given you this talent, venture in this business and thank me later. Number 7 on my list is fashion styling or stylist. You used to see that when celebrities post their clothes, they'll write there that this dress was made by Vicky James. If the dress was made by Vicky James, they will now write it again that this dress, they'll write styling. They will now put it Emmanuel Good News. You know that these people are not tailors. I have a video on this my YouTube channel that differentiates between a tailor or a fashion designer and a stylist. I'm going to drop it at the end of this video or in one area of this video right now, so you can know the difference between a tailor and a stylist. A stylist is someone that helps you put your outfit together. Just what I'm wearing now, a stylist will tell me the kind of earrings to use, the kind of jewelry to use, the necklaces that I need, how I need to style it, the kind of purse or shoes that I need to wear with it. If you know that you are good in combining it, that you can mix everything together, you put Maggi, put Atarodo and everything will come out together and be one, and it will come out beautifully, then you can venture into fashion styling. You see now that this particular niche, you don't need to know how to sew. You don't need to know how to cut. You will not even need to move close to the sewing machine, and you'll be cashing out very fast. Number 5 on my list for the non-teaching staff is painting. I was in shock when I saw one guy on TikTok. All he does for a living is paint clothes. They will just sew the clothes, they will call him to come and they will show them the design and the style that they want, and they will call him over to come and paint on this dress. And oh boy, come and see this guy's work, so clean, so beautiful. You would think that he's painting on a wall. My dear, he's painting on fabric, he's painting on clothes. If you can venture into fabric painting, you know that your hands are blessed with work of art. You see that these people, I don't even know what the guy was doing before, but I'm thinking that he has to be a painter before, because he will draw something on that cloth like this. As in, what I mean is that he has to be an artist. Probably the guy is an artist before, because the way he would draw on the clothes, whoa, you would think that they bought the clothes with that diagram. Honestly. So if you know that you are talented in this part, if you know that you are an artist, you can work with paint, you can work with colors. Fashion brands are working with people that can paint on dresses right now. And with this, you don't even need to know how to sew. You don't need to know how to cut clothes. They will have finished sewing it for you. All you need to do is work there and design the clothes with your paint. So this is one niche that is really paying now, that I know that in the next 4 to 5 years is going to become rampant. So grab it now. There are not too much people doing this particular painting of a thing. Grab it now, and I don't think fabric painting is going to stop soon, because it's just entering into the fashion industry. Yes, at least in Nigeria. I don't know about abroad, but in Nigeria, fabric painting is just entering into the fashion industry, and it has come to stay. It's not leaving anytime soon. So if you know that you are talented in this part, you can venture in that list. And the last one, in the non-teaching staff part, is beading. This one is very rampant. If you know that you can work with beads very well, and you can bead on a cloth to make it beautiful, to make it look outstanding, you have ideas, and mostly these tailors, they will give you ideas. The fashion designers will give you what they want. If you know that you can do it properly, you can also venture in beading fabrics for people. This one, you don't even need to know how to sew anything. You only need to know how to work with beads. The secret behind making every beaded cloth, if you can do it and you can make it beautiful and you can deliver, you can also venture into this part of the fashion designing, and you'll be making your cool money. So now, for my girlies and guys and friends and beauties that like to sew like me, and you are tired of corset bustier, you don't want all those things, you don't want all those stress, you can start a boo-boo niche. There are a lot of people online that all they sew is boo-boo. They do not do anything else. They just sew boo-boo. And you know, Simi Define. Do you know this girl, Simi Define? On Instagram, she's a friend to Vicky James and Prudence Gabriel. All she does is boo-boo. She only does boo-boo. And you know boo-boo now, once you just cut it together with the sleeve like this, join her here, do a little bit of design, you are done. And she's making cool money from this boo-boo business that she's doing. The only thing that she's doing is boo-boo. So if that is the only thing that you can do, you don't want to do corset, you don't want to do Victorian whatever, you don't like the sound of it, you can venture into boo-boo. Then the second one that you can do is kiddies wear. If you know that all you are good in is just to make ball gowns for kids, sew simple dresses for kids, sew normal free dresses that kids can be comfortable with, then you can venture into the kiddies wear. The kiddies clothes are even very simple to venture in, because mostly what they wear is ball gown, and ball gowns, once you know the trick behind it, it is less stressful, and you just have to be creative and have a good design at art, and you'll be making your cool money. Then if you now want to go a step further, you want to be more technical and professional and still do not want to do corset, you can go into suit making. There is a girl, Jojo, on, I think her name is Jojo, on Instagram. All she does is suit making. She does suit alone, anything, jacket, waistcoat, anything about suits and pants and skirts and suits, anything suits, short collar, notched collar, lapel, which other collar? any kind of suit. That is what she does, and she's making her money from it. She does not sew corsets. She does not do beaded dresses. She does not do luxury. She only does suits, and she's making her money from it. So if you know that you are good in suit making, you don't need to be jack of all trades. Just pick that one that you are best in. Make sure that you are very, very good in it, and start your fashion design business. And then the last one that you can venture in, if you don't want to do everything in fashion designing, is the bridal wear. You can decide to sew for brides alone. Yes, you can decide to sew for brides alone. Just be doing bridal wear. This is one is even very easy. But with this, so you will need corset. So that's why I put it in the last one, so that you will not say that Winnie say you can sew corset, you can sew bridal wear without corset. No, the bridal wear that they are doing now, starting from since like 2025 till now till 2030, 5 years, 10 years to come, they are using corset too, and we don't even know what next that they are going to bring in the nearest future. So you need to learn how to make corset. And a bonus one that I also want to tell you, you need to know how to market your products on social media. This will make you to gain more visibility and also sell your goods on social media. There are a lot of social media platforms that you can sell your goods on. You have the YouTube that I'm using right now. You have the Instagram, the TikTok, we have Facebook, we have Threads. So many platforms that you can sell your products on. And you also need to have like a website. Let's say you want to be doing ready to wear, you need to create a website. I'm not going to dive too much on that. If you want me to tell you how to start your ready to wear business, let me know in the comment section down below. So with these few points of mine, I hope I have enlightened you on some of the businesses that you can do. Either you want to sew or you don't want to sew. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Drop your questions and thoughts and contributions in the comment section down below, because I really love to hear from you. And please, if you are new here, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you go. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. Please like my video, share with your family and friends and enemies, like I always say. And I hope this video will change your life positively in Jesus' name. Till I see you in my next one, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye.
Papa.